Jessica Alba, born on April 28, 1981, in Pomona, California, is an American actress and businesswoman. She began her acting career at the age of 13 in the film Camp Nowhere. Alba gained widespread recognition for her role in the television series Dark Angel, which earned her a Golden Globe nomination. Her breakthrough role in the film industry came with the movie Honey in 2003. In addition to her acting career, Alba is also a successful entrepreneur and co-founded The Honest Company in 2011. She has been married to film producer Cash Warren since 2008, and they have 3 children together. Alba stands at 5 feet and 7 inches tall and weighs approximately 56 kilograms. Her dedication to fitness and healthy living has contributed to her toned physique. Alba is known for being private about her personal life, but she has spoken openly about her experiences with motherhood. She has been involved in various philanthropic activities, supporting charities like Baby2Baby and Global Green. Alba's acting talents have been recognized through awards such as the Teen Choice Award and the Saturn Award. She has starred in a wide range of films, including Fantastic Four, Sin City, and Machete. Alba's on-screen presence has captivated audiences around the world with her charm and versatility as an actress. She has also appeared in television shows like Entourage and LA's Finest. Her commitment to living a sustainable lifestyle led her to create The Honest Company, a brand that offers eco-friendly household products. Alba is a strong advocate for women's empowerment and has been involved in campaigns promoting body positivity. Her success in both the entertainment industry and business world has made her an influential figure. Alba continues to inspire others through her work and dedication to making a positive impact on the world. She remains an active and sought-after actress, constantly taking on new projects and challenging herself. Alba's versatile career has solidified her status as one of Hollywood's most accomplished and admired figures.